Hi, hello. How are you?
Yeah.
Listen to him,
Okay, I'm
listen.
going to speak.
Okay.
I am here. I'm very glad to be here with you guys. Yeah, I'm very happy. Yeah, so happy.
We will miss you.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
I'm going to miss you guys too. Yeah.
Thanks.
So,
To you.
To you.
cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Salute. Salame.
Salame.
Toki.
I.
And Nachi.
What? Okay, you're fine now. I hate to do it because I cry.
It's your turn.
Yes. It was a pleasure for me to study with you, but I'm not living like him because I'm just in this school, not in London. So it was a pleasure to know all of you, to learn Korean, and that's it. I love you too.
Oh.
Okay. That's it.
Okay.
Salame. To my jacuzzi. Yeah. Okay.